Hello students, this is the next point of the fourth chapter, that is evolution of microprocessor. The first microprocessor was Intel 400 is produced in 1971, and this is originally developed for calculator, and it is contained 2300 transistor. In that there is developed for calculator, and there are the 2300 transistors are used, and that processor is a 4-bit microprocessor and only perform that 6000 operations per second. But first 8-bit microprocessor was Intel developed, that 8008 in 1972 to run the computer terminals, and this Intel 8008 contained 3300 transistors. And the first general purpose microprocessor developed in 1974 was the 8-bit Intel 8080, which contained 4500 transistors and could execute that 2 lakh instructions per second. By 1989, 32-bit microprocessor containing 1.2 million transistors and capable of executing 20 million instructions per second had been introduced, and the microprocessor fabricated using techniques similar to those used by other integrated circuits such as memory chips. And the first step, that is producing microprocessor, is the creation of ultra pure silicon substrates, silicon slices shape, and as the present of blast wafers used in industry are 300 mm in a diameter, and that in a Intel first processor is developed, that is 4004 in 1971. This is the design by implemented first general purpose microprocessor, and in this microprocessor there is a held by a computer and built by the Japan, and was the part of 4 chip are set called as a 400 family, that is a 4001 that process that is a 2048 bit, and the ROM memory in that 4002, that is a 320 bit, and the RAM memory in that 400 that is a 10-bit IO shift register, 400 bit 4-bit central processor. Next is a Intel developed 8008, that is in 1972, that is increased the 404's word length. That first processor is 4-bit, this processor is 8-bit, that is increase the length that 4 to 8 bits, and it's a double volume of information that could be processed. And next one is developed, that is 8080 in a 1974. This is the 20 times faster than first processor. That first processor is a 4-bit 4004 that is only used in a calculator. Then this processor 808 is a 20 times faster than that 4004, and there is a contain twice as many transistors in that, and it was mostly notable in the processor in the first computer we use. Next processor is a 8088. This is a 1979 developed by Intel, and that is created as a cheaper version of Intel 8086. The 8088 was the 16-bit processor with the 8-bit external bus, and the chip being most is in the industries IBM choose the first PC, and this is the 808. Next is a 808286, that is the with 60 MB addressable memory with 1 GB virtual memory, and it is a 16-bit chip referred as a first modern microprocessor. It contained 1,30,000 transistors and pack a series to compute, that is a 12 megahertz frequencies for the tiny footprint that is the use. And next processor is a versions are different versions are developed, that is 80386 in a 1985 that processor is generated, and 80486 that is developed in a 1989, and that is 32-bit processor. This is the 32-bit processor, and there are the become very faster than other, and that is transistors are that are 2,75,000 transistors are used, and that is a 486 has more than million. Next is in 1993 there is a Pentium is developed. That is a Pentium. That is this is a next, and that are the different 3 million transistors or more than are used. And in next is a developed, that is a Pentium Pro. That is this is the evolution of microprocessor. For every year there are the different processors are developed, and for every processor there is the different specifications. And next is a Pentium Pro. That is a Pentium Pro. This is the newest, or Pentium has dynamic instructions execution and other performance. So this is the large cache in the chip packages, and this is the addition. It's more than 5.5 million transistors are used. Next is a Pentium second. In a 1970, this is the next processor is developed, and in that 1970 it is a 7.5 million transistor Pentium second processor incorporates. This is the next, and that is specially designed for the process for video, audio and graphics data efficiency. Next is a Pentium second. In 1919, this process is designed to perform the requirements of mid-range and higher servers and in a workstations. This is the developer. And next is a Celeron. This is the next is a Celeron. This Celeron is a 1999. This is the developed, and that is containing Intel strategy, and the processor of market segment. The Intel Celeron processor is designed for the value of the PC market segment, and it is delivers the excellent performance for uses such as a gaming and educational game. Next is a Pentium. Next is a Pentium third. Pentium third in a 1999. This processor feature has a 70 new instructions. It is the processor incorporates 9.5 million transistor using the 0.25 micron technology, and for the this browse through the realistic online museum and stores the download high quality video. Next is a Pentium third. Pentium third in a 1999. This processor extends the Intel offering to workstation and serve the market segment, providing the additional performance for the e-commerce application, that is used for the e-commerce application and advanced business computing. And it is designed for the system for the multi-process configuration. It is designed for the multi-processor configuration. Next, Intel is developed in a Intel Pentium 4 processor. Pentium 4 processor. This Intel 4 Pentium 4 is fabricated Intel 118 micron CMOS processor, and that is the currently this is a second performing general purpose microprocessor, and the Pentium 4 is available in a 1.4 gigahertz and 1.5 hertz bins, and this is compared to other microprocessor double pipelining and double pipelining depth to 20 stage, and this is it employs 256 bit interface that delivers the data transfer rate 48 GB and at a 1.4 gigahertz, and this is the integer register file runs to double frequency. And this is interesting is that method firstly introduced by Ilberts in their E2K processor designing, and there are the instructions include 120 bit instruction, that is arithmetic and double precision operations are performed. And this Pentium 4 processor, there is a 400 megahertz frequency, and system provides up to 3.2 gigahertz bandwidth. And there are the two arithmetic logics in the Pentium 4 processor, and there is the clocked at a twice core processor frequency. And there is the in this basic Pentium 4, this allows the basic integer instructions such as the addition instruction, add, subtract, logical and logical or executes in a half cycle. This is the introduction, this is the evolution of the processor. That processor is evolved in a different years, and there are the different specification for the every processor for every year. Thank you.